Hello LEGO fans! Today we have a little bit of a mystery project. This project uses a lot of round elements. We use some 4x4 round tiles, quarter round plates, and a bunch of quarter round 4x4 panels. So we're just going to start here by taking the gray as a base and adding the green. This is not LEGO's typical green, it's a bit of a brighter, lighter shade. Now, because these don't have any studs along the outside, we are going to add just one layer of the quarter round 4x4 plates. And that's going to give us a foundation to build along the edge. We also here have a stack of 2x4 bricks. This is all in white, but it can be any color because it's going to be hidden inside. This just adds stability to the project. We're going to put our quarter panels all around. I have a couple of these stuck together to make this a little bit quicker. Now at this point it's not the most stable construction. As I always tell my students, overlap, don't stack. Sometimes we have to break that rule. So we will fix that by joining everything on top here and adding some stability once again to this build. Have you guessed what we're building yet? Before I close it off completely, I'm going to hide a minifig head in the inside. That's going to give us a little function to our creation here. We then do another 5 of the colored tiles on top. Finish it off with a gray. And then we have 4 of these fairly recent parts. They make great awnings on lots of the modular builds, and I'm sure have made it into many spaceships. I'm sure by now you have probably guessed what we have built. This project was inspired by the ending credits in the LEGO movie. They had a can of spray paint near a bit of Wyldstyle graffiti. So I thought this would be a great idea to lay at the base of a LEGO mosaic. So of course our mosaic is going to have more than one color. So I was inspired by Wyldstyle and got some of her colors in there. I thought we'd go with the magenta, the black, the blue. We've got some lime green and some orange. And here's a little secret. Sometimes you just don't have the part you need. As you can see here, these tiles had stars on them printed, but since it's all hidden, we just pop that on. Nobody needs to be the wiser. And if you can remember, we added that LEGO head in there, and that's so it has the realistic shaking sound that a spray can would have. These are going to be in front of mosaic that is not yet completed. It will be displayed at BrickFest in Toronto this July 19th and 20th. Until then, stay geeky and keep on building.